Hey guys, welcome back. BDCKR here, and as we promised, this is the alternate method for resetting the challenge if you find that you're having a problem with the main method that we've been using for more than a year, and we'll link to that main original method in the description. This new method is something that we saw posted by Ital Nicky G, and we will link to his video in the description also. At the end of the demonstration, we'll get into some of the reasons why we prefer our original method. And for this video, we've taken the liberty of stripping the method down to the steps that actually matter from his video. So the first step is the open Injustice from a fresh start. You need to make sure that you're logged in, and if you don't have a WBID already, you need to create one. Then you need to go into either the main menu or into the challenge. Now we're going to go into the challenge just to show you that we do have progress to be reset. So from here, you're going to want to go into the settings and disconnect from the internet in any way possible. So that's Wi-Fi, airplane mode if you're on data, both if you're on both. And you're going to want to change the date to 1 day past the challenge, or 1 day past the challenge's expiry date. From here, you can go back into Injustice, and because we're already in the challenge, we're going to get the message right away that says challenge expired. If you're on the main menu, you're going to have to hit the challenge to get that message. And you're just going to hit confirm and go into the store and buy something. You can buy anything from the store, so if you want to make it cheaper, you can buy the bronze pack, but it really doesn't matter for this step.
We got a bit of lag here, so it's going to take a moment.
Yeah.
Wow, this is pretty laggy, okay.
Okay. So this is the...
You can see the touch still. We confirm it.
So you've bought one thing at this point. You're going to go back to the main menu, and once you're on the main menu, you're going to get this message sometimes on the first time, but if you do not get the message, you're going to have to go back into the store again and buy something else. So, again, it's cheapest to buy another bronze pack, but you can buy really whatever you want. So now you need to, the reason why you would need to do that step twice is you need to get the repeat message of the challenge expired like we saw. So if you get it before, you only need to do it once. But once you get it, you go back into your settings, change your date back first, and then you need to reconnect to Wi-Fi. Now, the 0 challenge credits that you can see confirms that the challenge is reset. But we can take another look into the challenge to show you if you want to see it. To make it pop up, you might need to buy a third thing from the store.
So we're doing okay now. See the 0 credits show up?
Yeah.
We're back in the challenge.
So there we go. That's the 25 credits, and you can see it's reset to standard difficulty. So now we can talk about some of the advantages and disadvantages of using this method as opposed to the normal one.
So the main disadvantages, alright, so number 1 is that you lose your discount gold packs. This method requires you to go into the store while you've time shifted ahead into the future and intentionally doing something that we normally avoid because you will lose your discount gold packages until 24 hours after the date that you time shifted to. That's the first thing. The second thing is it costs credits. You need to buy something in the store in order to reset the challenge. And it can be as little as 2 bronze packs, but when you don't hack and when there isn't a current credit glitch, even 16,000 credits can be significant.
And it might actually have to be 24 if...
oh, if you have to do it a third time, right?
Yeah, if you have to do it a third time, it's possible. So the advantages are that it's an alternative method if the first one doesn't work, because, you know, we're never sure on devices exactly why it is that it doesn't work, so this might be something different enough that it will actually be effective. And it is a little bit faster. You don't need to wait the minute.
Right, that we have on the other one. So... I mean, bottom line really is, even with the amount of credits we've banked, 1 minute seems a pretty small price to pay for resetting the challenge, and that's really why we prefer our original tried and true method for resetting the challenge.
Yeah, I guess the main problem with a game like Injustice is at the end of the day, so much of the actual experience of it will be the loading times anyways, that waiting an extra minute on top of that doesn't feel like a huge price to pay when we've already kind of gotten used to it from the game. So anyways, if the original challenge reset isn't working, or if you just want to try this one because you have that many credits to burn, we hope that this is useful to you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Komoda.